Service in Tulsa has issued a flash flood warning for west central Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma, southern Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Owasso, Skiatook, Collinsville, Sperry, Delegaw, Ramona, Vera, Turley. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.